Welcome to our channel. Today I will show how to use spacer in SwiftUI. So at first, this you can see this design. So as like this design we will implement. So we will use the spacer for the gap. Spacer means it is very important thing. Spacer automatically fill up the blank space. Spacer may take horizontally or vertically depend on your layout. So at first we will take design, we will set the background color, then we will design the header, then content area, then we will design the bottom bar by using spacer. So now we will create the Xcode project for SwiftUI. We will take new project, click the single view app, click next. Here project product name SwiftUI spacer example. This is the basic project. This is the content view. Here we will write our code, and this is the output preview scheme. Okay, now we can start our code. Today we will show how we can use spacer in SwiftUI. So at first we take the Z index. Z index basically we will use the set the background color dot yellow dot age ignore shaped area. Here shaped area dot all. So when we will use this background color with ignore the edge area, all area take the color header and footer with content area. Now we will take vertically stack. Now we will design the header. All code will be in vertical stack. Header will be set on horizontal stack. Then we will use the S stack. We will take the text, suppose header. We can set the title color or foreground color dot black, then set the frame size. We set the max width dot infinity. Then we set the background color we can set the white. Okay, also we can set same color yellow. Okay, we will set the fading in header. Our header is ready. We can set the header frame size. Okay. Now we can set the spacer. So when we use the spacer, then we use the spacer after S stack. Then below or header set into the top, and below or blank space take the spacer. Now we will take another stack, suppose B stack. We will set the content area, text, enter your content here, set the content text color, suppose we will set the white, that is the white color. After B stack we will take another spacer. Then you see, when we use the spacer, then this text content area goes to the middle. Now we will design the footer. Footer will design will be as like left, middle and right. Now we will set the background color of content. We will set the color B stack, suppose background color dot blue. We set the content area color blue. Also we can set the header background color dot yellow. Okay, now we will design the footer. We will take another S stack for design the footer. At first we will take left side text with the left. This text we set the foreground color dot black. Okay, this is black. After left text we will set the spacer. This is spacer. When we set the spacer, this text will goes to the left, and then we will take the another text middle and set the foreground color dot black. Then it goes to the right. We want to middle part, the middle. We use the another spacer. Okay, then you will see the middle text is goes to the middle point. We will text the another right, set the foreground color dot same color black. So left, middle and right we can maintain it by spacer. We can set the fading is dot fading right dot fading bottom design, we can set the color, background color color dot yellow, color dot yellow. Okay, so our main functionality is done. Here is, in this tutorial we shown the how to use spacer. So at first take our Z index, Z is take for the set the background color of the safety area and background color, and then we take the particle stack. In particle stack we take two AC stack. One is the for design the header and another is the footer. So we use the AC stack for header design. Then we use the spacer. When you use the spacer, it take gap, and then we use the base stack for this is the content area. Here is the content area. After content area, we use the another spacer for this gap, and then we use the AC stack for design the bottom area, left, middle, and right. This design. So here is three text. One is left, one is middle, another is right. So each text we want to set the one is left, one is middle, one another is right. So we can use the spacer for maintain this ratio. If we want to remove the spacer, then you will see the left and middle is nearest, and when we set the spacer, the middle the second part middle text goes to the middle. So by spacer we can easily design the layout. It is very important thing for SwiftUI. Now we can run our project. So this is our project. This design that what we exactly wanted, this design, this is our output. Thank you so much.